Hello friends, today I am going to give you information how to crack NEET PG 2022 examination in last 2.5 months. So guys, you need to study very short and sweet. No need to study one topic in 2 hours. Study one topic in 5 minutes. Okay. And if you are not able to cover some subjects like biochemistry, anatomy, physiology, pathology, so try to solve MCQ from those subjects. At least cover all MCQs from all these subjects. And your focus must be on high yield topics, high yield subjects. Okay, so you have to study obs gynae, medicine, surgery, PSM. These are very high yield topics. Okay, high yield subject. So lot of MCQs are coming from these high yield topics also. High yield topics, for example, contraceptions, 1 MCQ, biomedical waste management, 1 MCQ, endometriosis adenomyosis, 1 MCQ, amenorrhea, 1 MCQ, congenital anomalies, 1 MCQ in examination. So you have to cover all these subjects like glomerulonephritis, at least 1 MCQ, congenital heart defect, 1 MCQ, menstrual physiology and postmenopausal changes, 1 MCQ. Such way you have to study from urology in surgery, 1 to MCQ, GI surgery, 1 to MCQ, like HLA B27 negative, 1 MCQ, associated disorders, cataract, 1 MCQ, glaucoma, 1 MCQ, scleritis, 1 MCQ, such child psychiatry, 1 MCQ. So you have to cover all 150 topics in such a manner. But from where to study? So to solve this problem, I introduce a program of 150 high yield topics where I am going to give you all 150 topics, and 2000 MCQ I am going to provide on YouTube. That is more than enough to crack exam. And if you want to score good rank, so you have to solve all 2000 MCQ. They are free, but 150 high yield topics you need to pay 5,000 rupees, and fee is non-refundable. 2.5 month course, all 150 high yield topics I am going to deliver you. Okay, every day 1 topic you are going to receive, 2 topic you are going to receive, and definitely you are going to score excellent marks in examination in a short period of time. Why all doctors try to study, all are studying very well, but their path is false. They are studying in a wrong track, wrong path and wrong material, and they study use, and when they are going to sit in an exam they forgot. Because I summarize cataract in a 1 single page, I summarize menstrual physiology in single 1 page, I summarize 1 urology surgery in 1 single page. So such topics you have to prepare, and from that page you are going to receive definitely 1 question. I am going to summarize everything in a short, like adenomyosis, single 1 page I explain, fibroids, only single 1 page explanation. In 20 lines 1 topic is covered. So they are very high yield. In exam they like to ask such MCQs. So guys, if you want to score excellent marks, if you want to crack NEET PG 2022, you can subscribe my channel, that subscription program. So how to pay, payment mode in description. You can go, and when you done the payment you can send a screenshot on that payment, WhatsApp number, Phone Pay, Google Pay number in comment section, in description. So guys, thank you for watching this video. All the best for your exam. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. That's all.